Hello everyone, come back with me. I'm Muhammad Rivaldi. Have permission to speak in front of all my colleagues. Ladies and gentlemen, friends who are currently watching and lecture what that English course. Greeting heart and strong everyone. Today I want to talk about the importance of sport for teenagers. Mind, academic pressure, and the digital age. Gaming in sport play a key role in the holistic development of our young generation. Physical activity not only contributes to a healthy lifestyle but also builds important life skills such as teamwork, discipline, and resilience. For teens, sport provides a constructive outlet for energy, help build self-esteem, and contributes to mental being. In a society where a less active lifestyle is increasingly common, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of physical fitness among our youth. Regular participation in sport not only improve physical health but also improve cognitive abilities and concentration. Ladies and gentlemen, there are lots of sport that everyone can do, such jogging, running, cycling, and many other sports. In fact, some people like to exercise to their body become cool. A cool body is an ideal body, and there are also people who shape their body to become muscular, namely increasing their muscle mass. Maybe most people want a cool body, but to have a cool body you have to do regular exercise and maintaining a good food intake. For the teenager who are listening and seeing this, let's all start from now to get used to playing sport. Don't be lazy. Ladies and gentlemen, as parents, educators, and community members, let us together encourage and support our youth to actively participate in sport. By doing so, we contribute to their holistic growth, ensuring they develop into individuals with the personality to face life change. Don't be lazy about moving. Take your shoes and come with me. Maybe That's all I can say. Sorry if there are any mistakes in my work. Health and strong creating everyone. Thank you.